Are you searching for a new content creation idea? Then this video is for you. Look at this Instagram page. It's a highly successful page, and every reel has very good views. What kind of videos are they making? They are making relaxing anime landscape videos. We can also create this kind of video without any cost. In this video, I will share the method of making this kind of video, and in the end, I will share the method of making money with this content. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we have to generate some images like these. We can do it with any image generator AI. But before going over there, we need the prompts to generate the images. Don't worry, we can do it with ChatGPT. To generate prompts with ChatGPT, first take a screenshot of any video from this Instagram page and then log into your ChatGPT account. Now upload the screenshot by clicking on the attachment icon. After uploading the image, go to the prompt box and type, "I want to generate an image similar to this one using a text-to-image generator. Can you please write a prompt for me that includes a detailed description of the image along with the mentioned style?" Once you are done, hit the send button. And here it is. You can see ChatGPT generates a highly detailed prompt. And honestly, it's just amazing. Now ask for more similar prompts, and it will generate them immediately. If you are unable to do that, you can join our Telegram channel where you will find more than 500 premium prompts for free. And very soon, we are going to run a giveaway where you can get free access to a Canva Pro account. So, join our Telegram channel quickly. Link in the description. Alright, our prompts are ready. Now we have to generate images with this prompt. You can generate images with any image generator platform. I will use Shakker AI to generate the images. Shakker AI is an image generation model hub. Here you will find all kinds of image generation models, including SD3 Flux and others. To find Shakker AI, open a new tab and search for Shakker AI. After getting the search result, enter the website and create an account. On the home page, you will find all the models. We need to find an anime model, so I am selecting anime from here. Now you can notice all the anime models here, including Checkpoint and Laura. First, we have to select a Checkpoint model. So, I will set a filter. Click here and then select Checkpoint from here. Now all of these are Checkpoint models that can generate anime-style images. You have to find the best one. I think this one is perfect for us. Okay, this is the model page. Now you can use it online or download it to use on your system. Before that, scroll down and see some of the example images. You can see this image is pretty much the same as the image we need. If you click on the image info icon from here, you will find all the info on the image, used prompt model, LoRa, and prompts. Now, the important part, we can use all the models and LoRa with one click. Just click on the remix button. Alright, this is our image generator interface. Here you can see my previously generated images. To learn more about Shakker AI, you can watch this video, where you will get an in-depth idea about Shakker AI and its capability. Alright, now you can customize the settings, but I won't change anything except the size. I will change the size to 1080 by 1920. After that, I will enter the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is, Shakker AI generates 4 images for us. As you can see, the image quality is just amazing. If you are not satisfied with the image, you can regenerate the images. Once you find the best image, upscale the image. To do that, select the image, click on the upscale option from here, and then hit the upscale button from here. Once the process is completed, insert the image into the canvas. Now download the image. Alright, our image is ready. Now we have to turn it into a video clip. You can do it with any image-to-video generator. I will use Immersity AI. Previously it was known as Leapix AI. After coming to the Immersity AI, upload the image. It will analyze the image and Emirates 3D movement automatically. If you want to customize the movement, you can do it. Once the customization is completed, click on the Export button. On the next page, select the MP4 version and then select the quality. HD version is only for the premium user. If you don't buy the premium plan, you can use a different size of image and then crop this portion with a video editor. You can create multiple versions of the video to make the video longer. Alright, our video clips are ready. Now I will compile them with a video editor. To do that, I will use the CapCut video editor. After inserting the video clips into the CapCut video editor, add them to the timeline. Add transitions between the video clips. Okay, now it's perfect. But there is a catch. We have to add some music to the video. You can add royalty-free music from anywhere, but I will generate a song with Suno AI. Open a new tab on your browser and search for Suno AI. After creating an account, go to the Create page. Now in the prompt box, simply type Relaxing Nature Song, and then hit the Create button. And here it is. Suno AI starts generating 2 songs for us. This is the first one.
Wind in the leaves, softly it sings. Birds in the sky on gentle wings. Sun through the clouds, warm on my face.
And this is the second one. You have to choose one of them. Once the generation is completed, click here and then download the song as an audio file. Now, add the music file to the video and adjust the duration of the song according to the video duration. Don't forget to add fade-out effects to the music clips. And we are done. Now hit the export button. On the next page, set the title and quality and then hit the export button from here. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Wind in the leaves, softly it sings. Birds in the sky on gentle wings. Sun through the clouds, warm on my face. Flowers in bloom.
I think it's a great video clip and has a high chance of going viral. Alright, now let's talk about how you can make money with this kind of Instagram or TikTok page. First, you can offer freelance services by selling custom AI-generated videos. Imagine the demand for personalized content in today's digital world. People are willing to pay good money for unique creations that they can't make themselves. And with the skills you're learning today, you'll be perfectly positioned to offer this service. Second, you can sell high-resolution wallpapers of AI-generated images. You might be wondering why anyone would buy these when they can generate their own for free. The secret lies in the prompts. Most people don't know how to craft prompts that yield high-quality results, so they're happy to pay for professionally generated images. Just look at the numbers. Over 1,700 wallpapers sold at $3 each. That's over $5,000 in sales from images created in just a few seconds. Third, you can sell online courses teaching others how to create similar AI-generated content. With your own Instagram account, you could easily do the same. If you get just 10 sales at $100 each, that's an extra $1,000 in your pocket. And if you scale this up to 50 sales, you're looking at $5,000. With a large enough following, selling courses can become a major revenue stream. So there you have it. 3 simple steps to create viral content and 3 proven ways to monetize it. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of generating viral anime videos with free AI tools. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.